Hey, what's going on, guys? Making a quick video about Instagram stories and a couple of tips for you while watching people's Instagram stories. I'm gonna go ahead and hit Levi Lusko. This guy's an awesome guy. Definitely go check him out. So, as you see, my thumb is on the screen. That's pausing the story. So let's say there's some text or something like that that just you can't read in time and you're like, oh, how do I view that again? Etc. This will show you how. So I'm gonna release my thumb and the video will start. I go ahead and put my thumb back on it. It'll pause it. Now you don't have to do it right in the center. You can do it up at the top if you want to. Let's say there's text. And again, let's say you've already watched this one, or somehow it's the same one, or let's say it's just something you're not really interested in. Then you go ahead and hit the right screen. That'll skip to it the next stories. Now obviously up at the top there are all those little dashes. Those are all the stories. So for instance, let me show you one real quickly here. Here's one with a lot of text, right? And it's gonna give you not too long. So you go ahead and hold it down and it will pause it. Go ahead and read that, let go, it'll go to the next one, etc. Now let's say you want to rewatch it, hit the left side and it'll go back to whichever one you want. As right here. Fast forward, backwards, skip, reverse, replay, and pause right in the middle like this here. Now if you are hitting it, let's go to his very last one. And this might confuse you as well, so you got to be a little careful about this. Since this one is the last one of his stories, if I were to hit this right side, it would actually skip over to a sponsored story or the next story of the person in line, meaning Kalani Robb, professional surfer. After the sponsored one, it would go into his. That's the way it's kind of lined up like that. So let me show you real quickly here. So we'll go ahead and go to his last one, and then it moves over to professional surfer Kalani Robb. And then if I hit that one, it will jump back to Levi Lusko's, and then I can jump back to all his different ones here, etc. guys. Hopefully the video has helped you, because I know I was kind of messing around with that and I was like, hey, how do I rewatch their stories? How do I pause it? So smash that thumbs up button if it has helped you, and make sure you smash that subscribe button because we got good stuff happening on this channel. Take care. Bye-bye.